We are watching sunrises and sunsets and sailing, and it's a good time, huh? Best life ever! And we are not really affected too much by this quarantine, and we are super thankful. We love you guys. Mwah. We hope you guys are staying entertained at home. Whenever you say I like, I want to say big butts and I cannot lie.
Pinot Noir. Noir. I do not prefer cab.
Nice bottom of the feet, dude.
Oh yeah, you like that?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What is she doing?
Give it back.
She's got the wine lid. Come back here, Freya.
Wind
Look
up
at this
the
bartender.
What's the sunset?
Here we are in quarantine, day 1900. It's getting stinky in here.
Running out of makeup.
it's not.
Running out of makeup. No,
detergent.
don't you guys worry. I am not running out of makeup anytime soon. I prepared. If we have to, we can eat the makeup, I think. Maybe not.
Been tested on animals.
This animal.
That was like.
Run down and get Skirl a bucket. It's acting up. It just like switched itself off, so I'm sorry.
No worries. We need to use channel 69.
Moving over to 6-9.
Reading 6-9. Little miss. Do you copy Aurora on 6-9?
I copy you, Aurora.
Roger. I don't know if you got my text, but let's use this for our home channel on this trip, and we'll monitor 16, of course, because that's you need to do that for safety, I'm sure. Over.
So I will advise the boys to move over to 6-9, and we will see you in just a moment. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. My name's Aubrey, and before we get to the sailing, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about travel. When I travel, I use this thing called Shark VPN, which this video is brought to you by today. Shark VPN is a way to sort of hide where your location is. It also helps to keep information safe when you're going through airports and open Wi-Fi so that no one can get in and steal your passwords. Which, with the amount of travel that I do and the crazy places that I upload videos, it's really, really helpful and a great peace of mind. Also, I get to watch all of the Netflix that are usually aired in America and not in other places like South Africa or London, East Africa. So Shark VPN has been a really great app for me. Make sure to check them out. There's a link to Shark VPN in the description below. Thank you so much, Shark VPN, for making this video possible, and I hope you guys enjoy the sailing.
Sure, I don't look like a lobster today.
So you've learned your lesson with the sunscreen.
Yes. Do you see my lovely? This is my take-home prize to Ben. Look at honey, I'm half tan and half.
Inside of me, it's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I see you live?
Is that Aurora ahead of us?
Oh no!
Just tell me if you want to like use.
Ahead of us?
That's why I use the Hallion, the orange one. No men needed here.
He slapped me in the face and threw the banana.
He'd always come and poop on me, like he didn't like me. He's like, by the way, just so you should probably shower now because you smell.
Your hopes, dreams, and aspirations.
I'm super proud of the boat. She's sailing so nicely. So nicely. We are headed down to Biscayne Bay still, which I took about a, I don't know, 2-hour nap today while Javier drove. Meet Javier. It's my Ray Marine. Whoops.
Aubrey, do you have anything to say to all the people that said you could make
To all the people that said Little Miss can't sail, she's gonna sink, and I can't sail, I'm gonna sink. It's not true. We're sailing, and I'm floating, and everything's fine. Catch anything yet? What'd you catch? Seaweed?
seaweed?
I hope that I get
It's a big wild seaweed!
some algae.
And in guinea pig news,
Ben put up the guinea pig hammock in Penelope's cage, and she has made herself into it.
this just in.
I think you guys need a guinea pig on here.
I would do it if their pee didn't smell so bad. You know what? And our wind died. Now we have 6.4 knots of wind. He's a sailboat model. Ooh.
Airplane stuff, they have to practice those scenarios when they're jumping into cold water.
So off to our port side here, we have one of these we believe to be quarantined cruise ships. Looks like 2 of them. Would it be so bad to be quarantined on a cruise ship? You have endless food, entertainment, you're on the ocean. I don't know.
You have to keep a 6-foot distance between each other.
That would be difficult, keeping a distance. Let me know, are any of you out there, do you know anybody that's been quarantined on a cruise ship? I would love to hear that story about
Going down the water slide.
how that no one's seriously, someone's going down the water slide?
No, I just
Oh.
that's what they're doing. They're just going down the water slide.
Oh man.
Water quarantine.
What do you have to say about that? Could you be quarantined on a ship?
No,
You're quarantined on this ship right now.
I am. But these are the people I like.
Aww. Me neither.
Jim doesn't have a motor on his.
Mom, can you stop?
He doesn't believe in motors, he says.
Oh,
I don't know. I don't know.
look at the camera.
You're looking good. Spatial time?
Mom, I don't want to put some of this on my feet because
No.
Gross.
it will get rid of the.
It smells like Play-Doh right now.
It does kind of smell like Play-Doh, huh?
It's like Play-Doh.
Is that a bad thing?
No. It smells like Play-Doh.
I was kidding about the feet thing, but I wanted to. What is he doing?
I don't know. I pushed all the wrong buttons.
Not you.
Ah! We got a fish. What's happening?
We still have the fish?
Barely. Are we gonna lose the line? Hi.
It wasn't that big.
That was probably the
Still
worst
would have been
thing
fun to
that's
have him out,
ever
though.
happened to me.
What do you think it was?
I think it was maybe like a little bunny or something like that. So if you look where the rod is situated, it's very hard to play a fish while it's still in the holster. And so when I moved the rod to try get into a place where I can work it a little bit better, I left too much slack on the line and he was able to jump off the hook.
So everyone's gonna be hungry tonight.
Yeah, I'm sorry guys, we're not going to be feeding for the next day or two. I'll try catch something. Maybe a catfish. What do you think of our new addition to the crew?
I like it. Maybe we should name him Harry. I love he was just on your shoulder. I really want to just grab him and love him.
Just grab him.
He's so cute and tiny. Please don't. He's just gonna poop everywhere. Did he poop on me?
No, I didn't poop on
He
you.
just landed on you because I think it was just so windy for him. He's probably just chilling.
You're in the wrong neck of the woods, buddy.
He's eating out of my hand.
Hang on tight, little birdie.
We're so far away from shore.
It's gonna hop up.
We got a new sailing friend.
Oh, he just pooped. He pooped on
You made him
the
nervous.
pillow.
You made him nervous.
Is he camera shy?
I think so.
Oh, he's eating his poop.
See yourself as a boy or girl.
We've had a really amazing sail today. We had a bird friends. We
Almost caught a fish.
we caught a fish and then we released it by accident. It's been a good day. We are gonna get in at about 10:30 tonight to the Key of Biscayne, and we're excited. Well, we've had such an amazing time, such an amazing crew, and I'm also super proud of Had, who is sailing on Moonlight behind us. He's soloing right now, like a boss. We should have sent Sarah with him, but we didn't think of it. So, yeah, everything's going well. Little Miss and her new rigging is fantastic, and I'm so happy. I got a little too much sun today. Oh, I did my Ancestry.com, and big shocker, I'm Irish. It's gonna be right here. Fin just came up, baby.
That's not a dolphin.
Yeah, it's a shark.
Here she comes. Moonlight finally made it.
Light air. Yeah. She's a trooper in 25 knots. At 5 knots, she gets bored and doesn't want to do anything.
Yeah.
It's going to be a little rolly. I'm thinking it should calm down though, because this wind, what little wind there is going to die.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at it. It said down to 3 knots.
Yeah. Yeah, it downgraded from what it was earlier even. It's like, this is not good. We're going to be sailing. We'll be sailing, yeah. We'll be sailing backwards.